3, 2, 1.
Which painting was not made by Vincent van Gogh? The answer is B, The Ninth Wave. What is the name of the first level in Call of Duty: World at War? The answer is D, Semper Fi. Which of these artists has not been a member of dancehall group Major Lazer? The answer is A, Skrillex. Dutch computer scientist Mark Overmars is known for creating which game development engine? The answer is A, Game Maker. When did Spanish Peninsular War start? The answer is A, 1808. How many plays is Shakespeare generally considered to have written? The answer is C, 37. J.K. Rowling completed Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows in which hotel in Edinburgh, Scotland? The answer is B, the Balmoral. On which continent is the country of Angola located?
The answer is B, Africa.
Which Swiss psychologist is synonymous with the concepts of introvert and extrovert personalities? The answer is D, Carl Jung. What was the name of Marilyn Monroe's first husband? The answer is B, James Dougherty. What is the name of the author of book series Percy Jackson? The answer is C, Rick Riordan. Which nation hosted the FIFA World Cup in 2006? The answer is B, Germany. What date was the first flight of the P-40 Warhawk? The answer is D, October 14, 1938. In the game Terraria, which of these bosses are pre-hard mode bosses? The answer is A, Eye of Cthulhu. Which actor plays Obi-Wan Kenobi in Star Wars Episodes Iron Man 3? The answer is C, Ewan McGregor. Which German city is located on the River Isar? The answer is B, Munich. The Rush song YYZ derives its name from the IATA 8-board identification code for which city? The answer is D, Toronto. What was the first PlayStation game to require the use of the DualShock controller? The answer is D, Ape Escape. Guyana is in which continent? The answer is B, South America. What are Panama hats made out of? The answer is C. Straw. Which ability from the Magic, The Gathering Scars of Mirrodin expansion involves having at least 3 artifacts in play? The answer is D. Metalcraft. When was the top-down online RPG Space Station 13 released? The answer is A. 2003. Who was World Chess Champion between 1894 and 1921? The answer is C. Emanuel Lasker. What dog breed is one of the oldest breeds of dog and has flourished since before 400 BCE? The answer is C. Pugs. What does DNA stand for? The answer is A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. What is the oldest Disney film? The answer is C. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Banjo-Kazooie originally started its development as a totally different game for the SNES under which codename? The answer is D. Project Dream. Who did Hippomenes defeat in a foot race? The answer is B. Atalanta. The British Rail Class 700, Class 707 and the Class 717 are part of what train family? The answer is A. Desiro City. What is the standard C unit for luminous intensity? The answer is D. Candela. In Half-Life, what is the name of the alien that attaches to heads? The answer is A. Headcrab. What is the alter ego of the DC Comics character Superman? The answer is C. Clark Kent. Ringo Starr the Beatles mainly played what instrument? The answer is D. Drums. In the game The World Ends With You, all of these characters act as a game partner with Neku for a week except. The answer is D. Rhyme. The original Roman alphabet lacked the following letters except. The answer is D. X. With which team did Michael Schumacher make his Formula One debut at the 1991 Belgian Grand Prix? The answer is B. Jordan. What is the Romanized Japanese word for university? The answer is B. Daigaku. Which of the following games in the Legend of Zelda franchise was released in North America before Japan? The answer is C. The Legend of Zelda: Twilight Princess. In standard Monopoly, what's the rent if you land on Park Place with no houses? The answer is C. $35. In World of Warcraft, what was the name of the spell that caused a plague that famously killed millions of players in 2005? The answer is D. Corrupted Blood. This movie contains the quote, "I love the smell of napalm in the morning." The answer is D. Apocalypse Now. What is the name of Poland in Polish? The answer is B. Polska. Who is the victim mentioned in the second KG8 incident in Ace Attorney Investigations Case 4? The answer is B. Dade Mann. Which company was established on April 1, 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne? The answer is C. Apple. What was the first movie to ever use a Wilhelm scream? The answer is A. Distant Drums. Which member of the British pop group The Spice Girls was known as Ginger Spice? The answer is C. Jerry Halliwell. In Civilization 5, which civilization can only settle one city? The answer is C. Venice. Which of these NHL players have never won a Hart Trophy for regular season MVP? The answer is C. Steve Yzerman. In the 2012 film The Lorax, who is the antagonist? The answer is A. Aloysius O'Hare. Which professional wrestler fell from the rafters to his death during a live pay-per-view event in 1999?